Why do some people do so well in life while so many others don't? The first thing we need to talk about is the magic word, which is the most important word for how things turn out in life. The word for this is attitude. It's how we feel about life that will decide how life feels about us. It's important to remember that we make our own lives, and that the way our lives turn out depends on how we feel. For instance, a person who doesn't like learning won't learn much until they change how they feel about it. Most of the time, we won't do something if we think we can't do it. If we think we're going to fail, we might not even try. So, it's clear that our general attitude has a lot to do with what we get out of life and what we achieve or don't achieve. We are more likely to succeed in life if we have a positive, I can do it attitude than if we have a negative, I can't. So attitude is the magic word that can change our lives. It's up to us to have a good attitude about life and all the problems it brings.